Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show my first ever coding using drone. Yes, today I'll make my drone to launch, land, to move in left and right direction using coding. Now let me code the drone to launch and land. And that's it. This is the coding of the drone to make it launch and land. Next, let me code the drone to move left and right direction. And that's it. This is the coding to move left and right. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then make sure to like and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you all in the next interesting drone related videos. Bye.